Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change language on Poppo Life. Alright, so it's very easy, so let's get started. First step you want to take is of course open your Poppo Life app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that guys, you just have to scroll down just a little bit and you'll find these settings option at the bottom area. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, so from here all you have to do next is to click on the second option, which is language settings. So once you click on that, you can now select the language you want to change to and click on confirm at the top right corner. So that's it on how to change language on Poppo Life. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more effective like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.